Let's look at Chapter 14, Lesson 1 Practice. Number puzzles. Complete the puzzle. Each number in row D and E is the difference between the numbers in the two boxes above it. So for 2 times 0, you get 0, and 3 times 1, you get 3. You take the difference, and you end up having 3 minus 0, which is 3. 4 times 2 is going to be 8. 5 times 3 is 15. 6 times 4 is 24. 7 times 5 is going to be 35. 8 times 6 is going to be 48. And 9 times 7 is going to be 63. Now you're going to use these numbers in order to solve row D. You're going to use the difference. So 8 minus 3 is going to be 5. 15 minus 8 is going to be 7. 24 minus 15 is 9. 35 minus 24 is going to be 11. 48 minus 35 is going to be 13. And 63 minus 48 is going to be 15. Now you're going to use row D and find the difference between the numbers for row E. 5 minus 3 is going to be 2. 7 minus 5 is going to be 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. 11 minus 9 is 2. 13 minus 11 is 2. And 15 minus 13 is 2. What do you notice about the numbers in row A and B? You can see that the numbers are in consecutive order, starting with A has 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then row B is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So they're going to be in chronological order. What do you notice about the numbers in row D? If you look at row D, you can see that they're just counting up by 2. Look at 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9. They're going to be adding 2 to each number. Looking at test prep, multiplying 37 by multiples of 3 creates a pattern. You can see 37 times 3 is 111, 37 times 6 is 222, 37 times 9 is 333. You can see that these are all multiples of 3. Assuming the pattern continues, what is 37 times 24? Well, you could keep going up and you could do 37 times 12, and you know that would equal 444. Then you could do 37 times the next multiple of 3 is 15, which equals 555. Then you could do 37 times the next multiple, which is going to equal 18, and that would be 666. 37 by the next multiple is 21, which equals 777, and the next one would be 24, which would equal 888. Remember to show your work. Explain how you found your answer. You can see that I just used the different multiples of 3 and went up and followed the pattern. I also know that 3 times 8 would equal 24. And if I use 3 times 8, you can see that the 8 correlates with 888. Remember to show all of your work.